The impermanence of light, featherlight, slipping away in constant decay. One moment by my side, the next out of sight. No one can stay longer than they may. Lavender, lilac, lilies and lotus, my heart on display, like a throat waiting to be slit. And I dreamt of the father holding a two-headed child, swaying and singing, oh, what a sweet kid. And then guess what he did? He kissed each brow, and I woke up crying, cried out loud till the morning sun came sighing, set south, and my chest was aflame. Take my wrists and my broken hips and the snap bones in my legs will let me walk ahead. Featherlight song, don't leave me alone. Take my words, I don't want them, they hurt. I don't want to keep writing of living and dying. Featherlight love, I just wanna give up. Vivisection of my grief, a deer in headlights, a fawn on its feet, pull apart at a feet, cut away the relief and pry my longing into and gaze into the mildew of my attempts to let go, let the world know that I tried, I tried, I tried. And I dream of the fathers and fathers, I dream of the daughter and feathers, I dream of a life lived where tense realization of past tense and present, and knowing I need to give up. I'm sorry, I don't know what else to do but give it all to you and get up and go. Two-headed baby, cradle it and swallow it in blankets made from napalm skies. Patchwork, soft and bright, and on fire stitched together by damned desire. Kiss each brow and kiss each nose, kiss the four eyes sleeping closed. Watch as the breath stills as they doze, and then they rest forever and ever and ever and ever and ever and ever and ever and ever. ever. I'll never forget. What a sweet kid. Featherlight in my arms, what a sweet kid. Still rosy, still warm, oh sweet kid. Go on now, before it gets dark, and I'll let them tear apart my heart. Sweetest kid, oh what a sweet kid. What a sweet kid. What a